how I was able to analyze this BTC USD trade setup I shared in my free Telegram on the 24th of September. First of all, this is the weekly chart, by the way. The first thing I noticed was a textbook liquidity sweep, followed by an impulsive move to the downside, leaving behind a fair value gap. And as you can see, price respected that fair value gap. If you look closely, you'll also notice that the previous week's candle closed as a doji, which is often a sign of reversal. Now, heading to the daily chart, we can see a fair value gap just above price that could potentially get filled before the downward continuation. We can also see this daily bullish order block being respected, which means I can look for short-term buys up into that fair value gap. Shifting down to the 4-hour chart, I noticed that the only obstacle price had on its way to the daily fair value gap was this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So I waited for price to close above that gap before getting confident about a buy setup. Once price broke above the 4-hour fair value gap, I dropped to the 1-hour chart to refine my entry. And here I spotted a 1-hour fair value gap along with a breaker block. That gave me the confirmation I needed. I entered the trade immediately after price rejected the fair value gap, with my stop loss just below it and my target set at the daily fair value gap. And as you can see, it was a smooth ride to the upside. Follow for more.